Alright, so since I don't know what I'm doing with my YouTube channel yet, I got this. It's an ice cream sandwich that's freeze dried. So we're gonna try it out because I don't know what I'm doing on my channel yet, and yeah, that's where we're at. All right, so it comes in this thing. It looks like ice cream sandwich, and yeah, we're gonna try it. Yeah, that's actually fire. Hmm. So yeah, that's pretty fire. Texture's pretty wild. It's like kind of like a meringue, but it tastes legit like an ice cream sandwich. Hell yeah. Alright, well, that's the video. Later.